Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today.
Uveswano via so media kuyenganyo cho so sunbama ndiyeke mfo zange ndawork before kwi-SABC yokuqala uzondithola eMzansi for sure ndikuthathela yonke pride ndikubeke down nge-for sure. I'm a baddest guy, tell your niggas to expect me. Sundithathela down, tell your peers to respect me. And I've got a vibe, bitches will never reject me. You'll be not the same, so you will better respect me. You gotta respect.
Purchase your
You
tracks
gotta
today.
respect. If unganya wangambela, show your hands in the air. Let me see your hands up. If unganya wangambela, show your hands in the air. Show your fucking hands up. If ukhona gcwala ngam, let me see your hands up. If ukhona shaya ngam, show your fucking hands up. Let me hear you scream my name if you are my friend. So I don't wanna waste my time, show your fucking love.
Purchase your tracks today.
Yambolo malum, yachisa lo malum, haywena malum, pumape malum, katupi malum, ambambe malum, haywena malum, haybona malum, haybona malum. Yambolo malum, yachisa malum, washisa malum.
Ekhasi lami emjiva bayacabangisa njani xa ufike number 7 ubabuze benza njani eKZN enandi ubabuze bezwa ngabani. Maybe I don't understand ama ndikutshele something. If ugcwala ngale nsizwa kumele wazi one thing. Xa sendihlanya ndenza sound yenza i-crowd phambane. Fika ndiphethe i-vibe nenza i-enemies isihlangane. Xa ujayivele sami isigubhu kuba khona ivunjane. You gotta respect me.
Purchase your
You
tracks
gotta
today.
respect. If unganya wangambela, show your hands in the air. Let me see your hands up. If unganya wangambela, show your hands in the air. Show your fucking hands up. If ukhona gcwala ngam, let me see your hands up. If ukhona shaya ngam, show your fucking hands up. Let me hear you scream my name if you are my friend. So I don't wanna waste my time, show your fucking love.
Purchase your tracks today.
You gotta respect.
Purchase your
You
tracks
gotta
today.
respect. If unganya wangambela, show your hands in the air. Let me see your hands up. If unganya wangambela, show your hands in the air. Show your fucking hands up. If ukhona gcwala ngam, let me see your hands up. If ukhona shaya ngam, show your fucking hands up. Let me hear you scream my name if you are my friend. So I don't wanna waste my time, show your fucking love.